Welcome back to another video. I'm King Yeshua. I want to show you guys how to connect your PlayStation controller, PS4, PS5 to your PC, your Windows 10, and your Windows 11 with two simple steps. Let's go. Let's get started. Basically, it is two programs. You're using a .NET type of running software, so it's a type of framework that is built from C# and you're using DS4 Windows that is used to emulate your PlayStation controller, your DualSense, into an Xbox controller. So I'll show you guys the sites and they'll be linked down in the description as well. So right here you see that we have a site. It is an installation site. You simply just read it and follow the instructions. So I'll do it with you guys. You simply go through, see if you have the prerequisites. If Windows 10 or Windows 11, we're running a .NET 6.0 runtime. First, we need to install the runtime right here, and determining of your type of system that you have. You have a x86 or a x64. You will want to download the 64. So there's two downloads across here. Let's go ahead and download what we need here, and I'll just go to the downloads here. I already have the installations, but then I'll just re-download it just so you see me re-downloading it because everyone wants to see everything baby steps one by one. So let's go back. I'll just hit the back button, and we want to now still know what our system is. So x64, x86. For me, it's an x86, and I'll get the zip file right here. And I'll download that on the desktop, and you see I already have it. Let's just replace it. So let's go to our folders. Let's go to where we downloaded, and we have our .NET right here, 6.0. We want to run and install. It is built off of C#, and C# is a great program to do Windows programming on. So not my cup of tea, but it's a good program to use along with Windows machines. We installed that. That is what you need to run the DS4 Windows properly. Let's go ahead. Let's just delete this part. You simply just get that folder. We can look inside of it, and you see we get this folder. So let's go ahead and extract it. Once we have extracted it, get this folder. Once we have this folder, open this folder, and we have all of everything that we need, right? So first, we don't need to update yet. I think that will come in when you first open the application right here. You can run as administrator or not, doesn't really matter. When you first open it, you should have some plugins to install. If they don't pop up, you just go to settings and you go to controller driver setup. Run as here, and makes you run as administrator, and then you have these plugins you want to install. You primarily want to install the VIG EM bus driver, and then whatever is not highlighted, you can't click it. It's there for a reason. And then these are optional. I haven't messed with these. If you guys want me to go into detail on these, definitely let me know. It's really in the description. So there's no point of a video of that, but let's install the main driver that we need. All right, so we get a wizard. Let's follow the instructions of the wizard. Yeah, so it looks like I have it installed already. Let's just gonna go through the same process. It's gonna try to fix anything that's not really there. Finish. So it's installed, it's complete. Like I said, I'll go into a video if you want me to, but really the description is there for you guys, and that's really it. Let's have our controller. So one thing I was doing with the controller was where I wasn't changing anything, but a difference is that it was getting a little bit hot. Tell me in the comments if that's a common thing, because I'm not sure if it gets hot when you regularly use your PlayStation that I have right here, my PS5. Let's go ahead and connect it. I'm using a USB-C with my USB-C. It's a USB-C to a USB port to the other end. All right, now we're plugged in. We generally have this type of case right here. When it goes orange and it goes blue, if it doesn't pop up at all, make sure you guys are going to, it was device options, and then make sure your DualSense controller support is pressed on right here, and I'll zoom in for you guys, and then you'll get pop-ups, and just try to set it up and it's ready to go. One thing I'll go into as well after this, but make sure you guys are having all these checks. All these were checked automatically for me, so I didn't face this type of problem of it not popping up in your DS4 Windows. But let's say if we try to play that game, right? Let's go ahead and start this. Let's start the sequence, and we have it popped up, and we have the ability to control it. So if I touch this, you see my mouse controlling what is going on here, and we can customize. So let's try to change the layouts. Let's try to change the layout of this. So let me keep this up right here. Let's try to change the color I'll just go to edit, and then I can change the color some way, somehow by going to light bar, and then I can change. You gotta know your RGB, you know, like the basics, the stuff you learned in kindergarten or first grade, or just look it up online. Everything's online. We can change the color of what we have for our light bar. You know, this is for PS5, PS4, right? So let's the CYBE colors, because CYBE is where I'm making a lot of this information on, like the hardware, software information, the blogs, the articles, the videos, the photos, everything I'm trying to make for you guys is the a part of CYBE Cyber Connect. So definitely check out that website when it's ready. But this is really everything that you really need to know, like the basics, changing it, and just thoroughly looking through it. If you want me to go into depth in every single part of the entire DS4 Windows, and let me know. But that's really it. And then we want to make sure we save, so that we have our light bar change based on the settings we put in a DS4 Windows. Amazing, fantastic, spandugulous. Okay. The one thing too, when you plugged it in, is you see in the bottom right, you see that my voice is still recording, but then my output is a little changed up, right? It's because when you plug in any type of attachment into your computer, it gets rendered in based on the components and software that's inside that that device. It gets rendered as a audio device. So for some reason, when I click here, it's now reading my controller as an audio device. And all you want to do is, I'm skipping ahead. Let's go ahead and put them on the screen. And let's open up Fallout 4. These are one of the games that I give away for free. I get the license, I buy it, whatever I need to do, and I give it away for free. I have a good amount of games I give away for free for my tier 3 Twitch users, my subscribers. So if you guys are interested, definitely subscribe to the Twitch, but primarily subscribe to the YouTube, because we're almost to 1,000. I don't hear anything. Let's open up voice meter. I don't see anything going through. I don't really have to hear it or anything, but let's go through. You see how we don't hear anything, right? And let's go to pause. Now we don't really see the audio going through. In other sense, I don't hear anything, right? So all we have to do is let's open up the master, and we want to go back to our main speaker. Whatever speaker you were using before, go to that speaker. And for me, it is voice meter. I have videos on voice meter where I break down what voice meter banana is, specified abilities of it, everything I go into. I make a whole playlist of it, and it's constantly being updated throughout the weeks. Let's go to inputs. I'm pretty sure. It's like input for this. But the point is to go back to your speakers. You will be able to hear something as soon as you're able to go through. But now we can use it. The main point is we can now use the controller at any given moment, and it is being read through, like I was saying, as an Xbox controller. For Bluetooth, you guys will have to have your own Bluetooth in your computer. I can't show you Bluetooth because I don't have it. I know there's Bluetooth dongles, but I haven't seen any type of software to download and do it for you guys. If you want me to, I'll check it out. I'll do my research and make a video for it. But at the end of the day, I don't have a physical Bluetooth for you guys. Or you can have a Bluetooth dongle, which is a type of software, Bluetooth, and use that. But we can really do whatever we want here. We are controlling our PlayStation controller, our DualSense controller, in the sense of an Xbox Windows controller, right? So that's really it. That's everything I wanted to show. If you guys need anything, else, definitely let me know in the comments. If potentially you don't hear anything at all, even switching back into your input, definitely let me know, and I will address that for you guys in the comments and or the YouTube community. But anything else, definitely let me know. It's pretty simple, pretty straight, explanatory. You see me controlling the mouse still with the little trackpad here. And yeah, definitely let me know, man. This is straightforward, not too hard, not too crazy. If you think I missed anything, definitely let me know, and I'll address it in the comments. And for CYBE, the website is launching pretty soon, in weeks and months, so stay tuned to that. Notifications on all the social medias, and definitely on the Twitch and the YouTube, where you guys are mostly attracting to. So take care, peace out, thank you for watching, and see you later.